It pretty much rained all day today, so I phoned my mother and talked her into giving me her secret pancake recipe. It's 1.5 pounds of plain flour, 1 pound of granulated sugar, 3.5 ounces of golden syrup and 6 large eggs, 2 large teaspoons of baking powder, and you add milk till the batter runs off the spoon. First you mix all the dry ingredients. Then you make a well and add the eggs and the syrup. The batter's still a bit thick here. I added some more milk off camera. You want a low to moderate heat. There's so much sugar and syrup in the batter that it burns really easily, so you want to cook it slowly. I timed it and it's 3 minutes for the first side and 2 minutes for the second side. I like to make quite large pancakes, but you could make 4 at a time if you make slightly smaller ones. I usually have them plain, but my wife suggested frozen blueberries and grated lemon zest, and they turned out amazing. It's a pretty straightforward recipe, and the main problem you'll have is them burning. If they do burn, remember to leave enough time for the frying pan to cool down before you start your next batch, or else you'll end up chasing the temperature up and down. As simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and the subscribe button. I'll try to post some more traditional Scottish recipes, and my wife's a great baker. I'll see if I can talk her into showing a couple of recipes on here as well. Take care now, I'll speak to you in my next video.